And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the link tag. So it is used to define a relationship between the documents, or index in this case, and an external source. You put it inside of your head, and I've used in previous tutorials a link to our style sheet. So let me use the relationship attribute and the href, which is to define the source. Our relationship was the style sheet. And let me show you, I've got it in the same folder. So here's our index, and below we've got the styles.css. So we need styles.css for our href. And here's the document. That's a simple one. It only defines h3s and makes it green. And this should be, if I'm not mistaken, our link tag right here. So if I link this now and refresh it, our link is still black. Let me check. Our link tag was an h2 and we've targeted h3s. So let me just change that right here. In our index, I refresh it and now it should be green. So we've successfully linked our style sheet in the head using the link element right here. There are more attributes, and obviously you can use different values for relationship. But the most important one are relationship and href. You may want to also use a referrer. So if you link to a certain source, it might make sense here and there. For example, let me use no referrer, which should be the default. But you can also add different referrers here. And what you also can do is to define the href language, so the document that you link to can be specified with it. In my case, I've just used a CSS document. Well, let me simply add the English language here for hreflang. So this is also possible. And once again, the most important are just relationship and href as specific attributes here for link tag. And this should be enough to understand the basics of this link element in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.